Welcome to a new session. It's been a long time since I have uploaded any video. So there are a few people who ask me about how to trade these, time-based support and resistance as well. So let's discuss on how to trade these time-based levels with accuracy. You already know the support and resistance levels that I give are good. So I'm just being humble. They're the best. Now, these horizontal lines that you can see are support and resistance levels. These lines that I have given on Thursday for a Friday market. Now, when you use these vertical rectangular boxes are the time-based. What I mean to say is at these hours, you might be able to see a smooth move, be it bullish or bearish. That will be, uh, identified, or that will be, what do you call it? Decided by the horizontal lines, which are support and resistance lines. So how to mix these two and take Confluence out of this information that I'm providing one day before. Now, when we use, you can use these time and horizontal lines with your favorite indicators and identify the trades. So let's take, there will be, like, you guys really know that, the major problem for option traders will be, the entry, exit, and sticking to the trade. This is the major problem. So when you see these time-based things, when you are entering into the time and you got the perfect entry towards up or down, you can stick to the trade because in this time, the trade will be smooth. You got it? So this will help you to avoid FOMO trading, over trading, and it will bring you a discipline into the trading that you're doing every day. This will avoid huge losses, provide you with an accurate time to entry and accurate levels and perfect targets. You don't have to sit in front of the system for a whole day. You don't have to keep your eyes glued to the screen, because you know when you can look at the screen so that you can concentrate on other stocks and other scripts as well. This will help you to identify other possibilities without wasting time on a single window. So you know that there are like 3 types of days, like range bounds, sideways, and a trending day. So let's see a range bound day that happened. Like, this is a range bound day, you can see. So the range bound that happened on that day, I have clearly given you. If you are not aware of it, just join the Telegram channel. You can see this is this trade is 23rd. I have given the levels on 22nd, saying that this is the area that you might be able to catch a move. So, and to give a confluence on this area, let's take RSI, which is my favorite indicator to take confluence from trading. That the market is range bound. It is, it is coming up, it's gone up, it's coming down. It broke yesterday's high, yet it's not that strong. You can see the bars here. It's zigzag, it's not smooth, it's choppy. So this is a range bound market, we can clearly see. So now here we have seen RSI crossing over EMA here. And at the same time, our timeline had entered. And on resistance and support zones, you can go and check the resistance support zones that I've given on that day. So now, here, once it crossed, on a range bound day, we are very much sure that the RSI will be between 40 and 60. So it just crossed 50. So our target will be 60. And absolutely, this is the time the signal has been generated. And this will be your entry. Once this bar closes, this will be your entry. Okay. And your target will be previous high or RSI 60. Once RSI 60 is touched, you can exit. This will be your exit. And this is the move that you can catch. And this is somewhere around in, somewhere around 200 points or something, 150 points on that particular move. So in options, you might be able to catch somewhere around 90 point on a range bound day. And again, there is another move on the same day, a smooth move. You can go and check in the Telegram channel for other, entries and stuff that I have provided in the market time. So now let's take a trending day. Let's take a trending day. On a trending day, this is a trending day that is on Thursday. You can clearly see this is 24th. So on a trending day, you can see that it's a very huge gap down on Thursday in Bank Nifty. Yet the first bar has gone and tested our support zone that I have given in the channel. Once the support zone is tested at this level, now for 3 bars, it's consolidated there, having above average volume, but the bars are small. So it's a clear evidence that the market is not going high, it is coming down. So we did capture this move. Even before the timeline started, we captured this move. And then once the timeline started, it's clear that the market is about to give a pullback. You can clearly see the market is about to give a pullback. You can see that this huge volume on this bar is very good, but right away you can see an above average volume on a bullish bar, which means that the market is about to give a pullback. So this is the pullback that you can capture within this time range. Within this time range, you can even take RSI confirmation. You can see on this bar, RSS crossed the average. And your target will be, if at all you're catching an RSI, your target will be 30. You're capturing an RSI at 10s and 20s, your target will be first 30 and then 40. So this is trade number 1. And here I have clearly mentioned on the previous day itself that this is going to be a sideways market. And as you can see, it is not that much of a sideways market. There is some move, but I wouldn't suggest you to trade like that without any confirmations unless and until you are good, you're already doing good with an RT moves. If you're trading RT, yes, this is a very good move. You can enter at this point and this will be a retest. And since then, it started falling. So now you can see on the same day, the final move, I've given this at 245. Here you can see that the move started falling right before the RT retest started the move. And this is the support that intraday has created. This is, you can call this, the temporary support or something where the bulls are trying to push the price up or whatever that might be happening there. It's up to you on how you interpret the market. I'm just giving you on how the strategy works of the time, volume, and price based. So now here you can see that the market has broken the temporary support and then retested. At the point of retest, you can see a huge volume. Here already at this bar itself, the RSI has broken and it came below 40 and retested 40 as well right here. So now this move will give you a strong confirmation that it is going to be a very strong move for the next couple of bars. There is not going to be any white bar or a bullish bar. So this turned out to be a jackpot trade. So how does this thing work? The time, price, and indicator based. So now let's see on a sideways market. This is sideways market yesterday. Okay. On a sideways market on this day, you can clearly see that it is within the no trading zone that is provided in the channel. It is within the no trading zone. So in this no trading zone, if you're a scalper, you would have got this move and probably this move with some logic, with some price action logic. So other than that, there is no trade at all on this particular day. So now let's see how and why the logic behind this time, indicator, and price based. This is a normal confluence that we all follow, right? So this here, we might use volume, indicators, trend lines, support resistance, option chain, OI, and whatever and whatnot to understand what might happen next. and the other side, it is pure price, where it is, and the fundamental things. So here, in this Confluence, you're having two loopholes here, one towards the upside and one towards the downside. You could lose. There are two chances to win the trade and two chances to lose the trade. This is 50% chance, 50-50. And now, when it comes to our analysis, we are taking time as well into consideration. So now we have, like, in this particular thing has only one side loop, which is compulsory. That is what I call a perfect risk. In this, you have two risks. Here, you have only one risk. You're taking time. This time is giving you perfect trade. The price, yes, we are taking into consideration while we are analyzing the trade for the next day. We are taking indicators as well to analyze the next day. So this particular strategy has only less loopholes than any other strategy. That is the reason this kind of trade is being very accurate. So now you know how to identify the trade. No matter what indicator you use, look at the signals from that indicator at these times. Okay, I'm not just telling you to use RSI or anything else. Support resistance, I'm already providing. Okay, RSI, you have it anywhere you can get it. And time, I'm providing. The rest is up to you. You need to do the rest. So that's it, guys. This is how you need to trade the time-based, time, volume, or any other indicator and price-based analysis with perfect entries and exits. And now I'm already starting a course that I've already posted in the Telegram. Already 50% of the seats are filled. So if there is anyone else who wants to join, just ping me. You know my trading, Telegram ID. You can get it from the Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel is mentioned in the description as long as my Telegram ID. You can message me there for a course. And course description is already in the channel. Check it out. Thank you, guys. And happy trading. If there is anything else you guys want to know, you can text me in Telegram. Bye.